In this video, I'll show you how to turn a loan inspection report into a clear scope of work that contractors can actually use. The first step is to create a project. We'll enter the project name, the property address, and the short description of the renovation. Next, we'll enter a few details about the property so the system can automatically create the main renovation categories. In the next step, we upload our inspection report. This is the report created by the inspector after inspecting the property. In this case, the report is about 78 pages long and contains many observations and issues throughout the house. After a few moments, the system analyzes the document and extracts the relevant items for the contractor, converting the inspector's observations into actual work tasks. For example, the inspector wrote damaged or missing roof covering material. The system converts that into a clear renovation task like replace damaged roof shingles. At this stage, we go through each item and make sure everything looks correct. The title, the description, professional type, and I recommend also to add some photos if possible. After that, we can select the items. When we finished go through all of the items, we can select all the items, go down to the bottom and click on Add Items to the Scope of Work. After that, we are taken to the Scope of Work page. Here we can see all the items organized by categories, with photos, with clear title and clear description that contractor can understand what are the items about. We can also filter by category, text, and also we can export the scope of work to a PDF file. And that's it. Now we have a clear scope of work with all the renovation items and photos organized in one document. Hopefully, this gives you a simple way to turn an inspection report into a clear scope of work that contractors can actually understand.